I'm not here to sell you a course. I'm not here to tell you to join my Telegram channel. I'm not here to mentor you. I'm here because I want to document my process, document my journey. Precious. So if I was live now. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm here to document my process, document my journey. My name is Richard, but you can call me Jabari. I've been trading officially now, traded live accounts officially now for about 6 months, since about June of 2025. And I can say that I have learned a ton in a short time. I haven't taken any mentorship classes. All I've done is learn on ChatGPT, asking ChatGPT a ton of questions about Forex as it's coming to me as I am doing it physically, as I'm doing it practical, as I'm asking ChatGPT, what is this? What is this? Explain this. Why is this like this? And I have downloaded so much information into my head in the last 6 months that I think you can benefit from on this channel. The idea for this channel came when I wanted to do a recap of what I learned during the week to one of my friends who said he wants to learn how to trade. And he said he was going to come to my house and learn, but he didn't come last week. So I said, you know what? Instead of creating just another WhatsApp group, another Telegram channel, why don't I just record this thing once and for all? Video is easier to consume. I record it once, I put it on YouTube. He can watch it. Anybody else who wants to learn can watch it, and it's there for perpetuity. So I'm not uh, I'm not claiming to be a pro. I'm not claiming to be another Happy FX or another Jeffrey Benson or another Tony Ike. I'm not claiming to be any of those people. I am a beginner just like you. All I'm doing is letting you see transparency in my trades, in my entire journey from start to finish. Every single thing I'm learning along the way, I'm telling you guys about it. If you're looking to learn something, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and wait for more videos.